Hey, how we doing, everybody? It's another beautiful day here in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. Winter's kind of over. It was a very beautiful day today, a little chilly this morning, but 75 this afternoon. I have been working on this knife that I purchased from the Knife Doctor in his last auction. I've been cleaning it up, getting rid of some of the dings and bashes that were on it from, you can still see some from, it was being used as a hammer. I have some before and after photos here. But one of the things I'm about to address now, this blade is very difficult to open, and it's slow to close. And that's because while it was being used as a hammer and they were beating on it, they've pinched these bolsters together. There's significant blade rub, especially on this front corner. So I'm about to try to relieve some of that tension with the razor blade, tap it down, because I mean, it barely even tried to slide in there. So bear with me a second. We'll get a little hammer and do a little tappy on it. All right. Got a little anvil underneath here to give it a little more stability on top of this table. We're just going to see if we can't tap that down in there just a little bit between the blade and the bolster without cutting into that soft brass. And I think that just made it worse. Well, hold on a second. Let me see what we can do with this. Okay, guys. Well, that's a little extremely close up there. So I'm going to show some photos and actually some video clips of the bolsters. They're smudged up right now. The bolsters had a bunch of pock marks in them from where it was being used as a hammer. Still some on the ends. I left them there for a little bit of character. There's a couple here, still there. I didn't want to mess with these because the serial number. I didn't want to rub it off. But the bolsters, the blade still has some fairly heavy scratches, but not as bad as it was. The etching, I don't know if we can catch it on camera here or not. There is some etching right here. It's pretty faded out. It's a little vine. But all in all, she cleaned up very nice, put a brand new edge on it. And it will cut. I'm not going to cut a piece of paper. We know how that works. But there you go, guys. This was a knife I purchased from the Knife Doctor on his auction. And it was one he got and was destined for the sale. I picked it up. It is the Stagilon plastic. It's a nylon handle that Schrade did. It looks great. I know it's plastic, but that doesn't take away from the looks of it. It looks fantastic. I'm super happy with this purchase. And now that I've reprofiled that edge, cleaned up that blade, fixed most of the pocks, loosened up that blade, Super nice. It's a user. I can carry it. It's not like real stag that I'd be worried about damaging or whatever. I'm super pleased with that knife. So there you go, guys. Until I see you again, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, but above all, have a beautiful day.